Hey guys, I'm Misha, and welcome to Maybe Misha. So this is my edition for the 5 Worlds Collide collab channel. One of the things I have to do in this edition is stand out. So let's go. So here we are, the things I do for YouTube. Anyways, as I said in the beginning of this video, my name is Misha. Well, it's not my full name, but that's what everyone calls me. I am 14 years old. My birthday is June 15th. I live in Central Tennessee. I've been doing different types of videos for a while, like stupid lyric videos when I was like 9, but I started vlogging a bit less than 2 months ago. I try to upload videos every Saturday. I use a Canon Vixie HF21 camera to film, and it's 1080p. I mostly use Sony Vegas 12 for editing, but sometimes I go into other programs to do some things. I could probably do a video for this collab on any day, but Wednesday would be a good choice. I do have both Skype and Kik, also I prefer Skype. However, I'd rather not share the usernames in public, but I'll message you if I am chosen for this collab. Another thing I have to do is include some interesting stuff about myself, so I think that the thing I just said is very boring and cliche, but I couldn't find a better way to transition. I'm from Russia, and I lived in Russia for almost 9 years before moving to the US. I'm most likely going to be working on a short film soon. I am so not used to not being able to move to different sides of the screen for jump cuts. And I once kissed a dolphin, one of the best days of my life. I hope that that's enough information. Thanks for watching, and I hope you'll consider me. Hey guys, thank you for watching. Leave a like if you liked it, leave a comment, tell me what I can improve on, and subscribe if you want to see more. If we reach 50 subs by the end of this year, I'll do a thing where I upload a video every day for a week. Bye!